All right, welcome. Today, we are going to talk about a shift that could literally change how you get everything done as an entrepreneur. I mean, we're moving way beyond just simple AI chats here. We're stepping into what I like to call the coworker era. This is where AI stops just answering your questions and actually starts performing complex, multi-step tasks for you.
I mean, does this sound familiar? As an entrepreneur, you're wearing, like a dozen hats every single day? One minute, you're the marketing chief banging out social media posts. The next, you're the top salesperson trying to build a landing page from scratch. And then, boom, you're the grand strategist planning a whole email launch. It's exhausting, right? And honestly, it's a huge bottleneck to actually growing your business.
Okay, so for this whole explainer, I want you to just hold on to one big idea. What if you could have an expert chef, but for your business? Just think about it. An AI coworker that's like your own personal chef. You train them just once on your kitchen, your tastes, and then they can whip up perfect meals for you on command every single time.
So let's stick with that chef idea. Before a chef can cook anything for you, what do they need? Well, first, they've got to know your kitchen, right? What ingredients are in the pantry, what tools you've got. They need to know your tastes, any allergies, and what you consider a great meal. It is exactly the same for your AI.
And this is where we get to our first key concept, and it's called the project. The easiest way to think about a project is it's the AI's brain. It's this dedicated workspace where you put all the core knowledge about your business. For our chef, this is their entire memory, all their training, every recipe they know, and everything you've ever told them about what you like.
So what do you feed this brain? Well, you upload all your most important stuff. We're talking brand voice guides so it knows exactly how to sound like you. Your ideal client profiles so it knows who it's talking to. Your product offers, your business mission, research, even examples of your best performing copy. You're basically giving it the entire context of your business so you never have to start from a blank page again.
Okay, so the project is all the knowledge of the chef's brain. But just having knowledge isn't the same as taking action. That's where the next piece comes in, the skill. A skill is the recipe. It's a super specific step-by-step instruction manual that tells the chef exactly how to combine the ingredients, that's the knowledge in the project brain, to make a specific dish. This right here is the secret to real automation.
And of course, when the chef follows that recipe perfectly, what do you get? You get the final meal. In this AI world, we call that an artifact. And listen, this is not just some block of text in a chat window. No way. An artifact is the tangible output, a fully coded landing page, a polished PDF report, or maybe even a little custom app. It's the meal, plated perfectly and ready to go.
All right, so let's just connect all these dots real quick. The real power, the magic, is how a skill, that's our recipe, turns all that static knowledge sitting in the project into real, dynamic, valuable action. This is the system. This is what takes you from just having a folder full of documents to having actual completed work.
And this is such a crucial distinction to get. The project, the brain, stores what your business is. That's the knowledge base. But the skill, the recipe, is what executes how to do a task. That's your action plan. Think of it this way. The project is the library, and the skill is the expert librarian who knows exactly how to pull all that information together to create something totally new. And building one of these skills, one of these recipes, it's actually way simpler than you might think. First, you just define the goal. What's the final dish? Let's say a landing page. Okay. Second, specify the format. How do you want it plated? As an HTML file would be great. Third, you connect it to the brain. You tell it, hey, use all the knowledge from our project. And last, you set a trigger, just a simple prompt like build a new landing page to get the whole process started.
Okay, and this is where it gets really cool. Once you've got this chef who knows your whole business inside and out, and you've given them a cookbook full of these amazing skills or recipes, what's on the menu? What can they actually make for you? Well, it's pretty incredible.
And look, we are not talking about just churning out simple blog post outlines. I mean, think way bigger. We're talking about generating the entire code for a landing page, writing a multi-part email sequence from scratch, or creating a whole bundle of social media posts for a launch. You can even build interactive quizzes. The most important part is that each one of these is a recipe you can just run again and again and again.
Okay, so let's make this super practical. This all sounds great in theory, but let's actually see the chef in the kitchen. We're going to walk through creating something that usually takes hours, maybe even days, and we're going to do it in just a couple of minutes. We're going to build a brand new landing page.
And it all kicks off with a really simple conversational prompt. You don't need any complex code or weird commands. You just talk to it, like a coworker. Hey, let's build a landing page for my new mini lab workshop. That's it. That's the trigger that pulls out our pre-built landing page recipe and gets things cooking.
And here's what separates a basic tool from a real coworker. A great skill doesn't just blindly execute a command. Nope, it engages with you. It knows it needs more details to do an amazing job, so it kind of switches hats and acts like a marketing consultant. It starts an interview.
So it starts asking these really smart, clarifying questions. Things like, okay, great. So tell me, what's actually included in the offer? Are there any bonuses? See, it's proactively pulling out the details that it knows are absolutely essential for writing great sales copy.
And all you have to do is just answer, conversationally. You list out what's included, the price, the bonus, and as you're talking, the AI is taking all this in and it's structuring that information, getting it ready to build the page. But then it goes even deeper. It asks probably the single most important marketing question there is. What is the single biggest result a customer will get from this? It's not just asking about features anymore. It's digging for that core transformation, that emotional hook that really, really sells something.
And boom, there's the answer. They'll go from overthinking an idea forever to launching a complete course in just 1 week. That is pure gold right there. That powerful, benefit-focused language is exactly what the AI is going to use for the headline, for the copy, and all it took was a quick, collaborative chat to uncover it.
And then the magic happens. After that little back and forth, the AI gets to work. And in just a few minutes, literally minutes, it doesn't just spit out some text, it serves up the final meal, a complete, fully coded, totally on-brand landing page, delivered as a ready-to-use file. So if you look at the final landing page, you can see it use that biggest result to write this really compelling headline. It automatically built out all those crucial sections like, this is for you if, and this is not for you if. It included the full schedule we talked about, and this is so important. It pulled the brand colors and fonts straight from the documents we put in the project at the very beginning. See, it's all connected.
So let's just zoom out for a second. This is so much more than just making one landing page a little bit faster. This is about creating a repeatable system. It's a way to take your most complex, your most repetitive, your most time-sucking tasks and turn them into simple recipes you can fire off with a single sentence. This gets you out of the weeds and frees you up to focus on the big picture stuff, strategy, growth, the things that only you can do.
And that really just leaves us with one final question to think about. I want you to forget about prompts for just a second and start thinking in terms of recipes. What is that one complex, painful, repetitive task in your business that if you could just automate it perfectly every single time would be an absolute game changer for you? What's the first recipe your business needs?